Hello, teachers. I want to show you guys a few add-ons that you can get on your Google Chrome just so you can really enhance your learning time as well as your students. So one thing I want to show you, I actually have downloaded it and I'll show you that in just a second. But because I have not assigned any Google Classroom writing on my Google Classroom yet this year, I don't have any actual examples, but I hope to get that soon and I'll make another video then. But one of the Google add-ons that you can get through Alice Keller, who if you do not know her, she's the Google Classroom guru, she's amazing, is this paragraph poll. And what it does is when you attach a document for your children to fill out, or you give a prompt and they are completing it and attaching their own Google Doc to turn in, it requires you to click on every student work sample in order to grade. And that does take a long time. So one feedback that she's always getting is, how can we give feedback to our students faster? So what she's done is she's put this pull the paragraph add-on into Google Classroom. So you can download it and it creates this link shown here. And when you get to the link, in order to access this pull the paragraph on the right, you click on add-ons, pull the paragraph, and start. As you pull that up, it's going to pull up over here on the right, and you're going to choose a folder. So when you create an assignment in Google Classroom, it creates its very own folder in your Google Drive for that assignment so that any work that's turned in will all be put in the same place. So when you're ready and you have assigned that, you can choose a folder, choose that folder of the title with the same title as the assignment that you assigned, and here's what it will do. It'll allow you to get all of their paragraphs in an Excel spreadsheet. You can put it so that it's, where it doesn't wrap the text, or where it does wrap the text, so it just keeps going down and makes those cells bigger. And then after you've got that, as I scroll down through some of these screenshots, you can wrap them so that you can actually see, and then you enter feedback just in that feedback column. So over here, after I was to run it, there would be a feedback column. This is where I would write my comments, and it automatically inputs into the student work samples as feedback. She also has a chance for you to actually be a beta tester because they are testing out to see if it will be a permanent add-on. That was a very cool add-on that I thought would really help enhance my time. Another add-on I wanted to show you was the split screen add-on. So let's say that my student was to write a paragraph or an essay on the invention of electricity, and they're going to have to go do research. With this add-on of split screen, they can select a split screen. They can Google impact of electricity, whatever it might be. Click on lighting a revolution. That sounds like it might be important. And now we're going to talk about consequences of Edison's lamp that he created. So this resource might have several, sorry about that Facebook notification, might have several different resources. But let's say that they didn't know a word. Here's where they can find another add-on that you can find on your Google Chrome extension. And it is the Read and Write for Google Chrome. So as I click on it, it's going to pull up. I currently only have a trial version, but what I'm going to do is, whoops, it's going away. I'm going to make this a larger screen so that you can see the entire add-on. So I'm going to click on this Read and Write, and maybe I don't know what electric means. So I might highlight that word. And then up top, there are several different options for you to interact with your text. So I might click on the dictionary because I want to know what electric means. But then maybe I still don't quite understand. It's giving tons of definitions, a lot of adjectives, but the noun is a car that's powered by electricity. Maybe I want a picture. So I could even click on the picture dictionary and I see a lightning bolt. So that's going to tell me that electric might have to do with electricity. And now as a student, I might be learning a little bit about root words. So these three add-ons, we started with the pull a paragraph, followed with the split screen, and lastly looked at this read and write for Google Chrome. All can help teachers as well as students use their time more effectively as well as enhance learning. I hope you learned something and I hope to have more videos up soon, especially on the pull a paragraph.